We're going to the US, guys, with our loaner car. Woohoo, Mercedes. Right, so we're almost there, guys. Almost Kingston. So my driver are so serious here. So yeah, I did live, but no one's watching, so I turned it off. So yeah, we are almost Kingston, and then another 30 minutes. So yeah. Alright, I'm going to take you guys to Watertown, New York today. We're going to go to Target and to mall, and we're going to eat at Texas Roadhouse. He have a gift card still, so we need to use it up. Right, so yeah. So see you in Watertown, guys. So we are now here, guys, crossing to the border now. Alright, so we're going to pay for the toll. Thousand Island Bridge, guys. Thousand Island Bridge. So we just cleared up from immigration, guys. So that's so fast. It's first time to travel like that fast, guys. Oh yeah. So we're heading to Watertown now. Woohoo! Okay. Now my Canadian is valid to US. No second interview. So we're here at VA Clinic, guys. VA Clinic. Alright, we're done with his appointment, guys. So we are going to go to Shorty's restaurant. We're going to have a breakfast there, guys. So yeah, come with us.
In 600 feet, turn right
And
onto
we're
Western
going to have
Boulevard.
breakfast before we go to the mall. So let's go, guys. Let's go have some American breakfast here in Watertown, New York. I never
The
been to
stop sign,
Shorty's,
turn
so
right
yeah.
onto Western Boulevard.
22 Beauty Bar.
Oh, so that's kind of like we're going to have breakfast there, guys, in Shorty's. So I'm so excited to try her Shorty's, guys. Woohoo! I got coffee, Shorty's coffee. So this is having breakfast lasagna. Is that breakfast lasagna?
Thank you.
Oh, like that.
Let me cut it up, see what it's like.
Okay. Looks yummy. And then this is mine, Fort Myers, kind of like sandwich. With the egg burgers. How is it?
Good.
Good. Going to try mine. Look. The breakfast lasagna.
Could use some hot sauce.
So we're done, guys, and he got a mag, $25 just for this.
How much it cost with his one.
Going to be gentleman to me because he's in the US. So we're in the mall, guys. After having breakfast, we're going to the mall. I wanna like check the Victoria's Secret. I did a little bit shop here in Hollister. So we're done shopping here now, guys, in the mall. So we're going now to the car, and then we're heading. Where are we heading? Target or Fort Drum?
Target's across the street.
Across the street, okay. Yeah, so maybe we'll just go to Target. There's a Hobby Lobby here, guys, but we didn't go there. So we're going to Target now. Don't open till later though, so yeah. Here's the Target, guys. Let's go Target shopping. Let's go shopping here in Target, guys. Here, clearance. Alright, so we're done shopping here in Target, guys. I didn't buy anything for myself. I just buy something for Angel, the Chobani, and thing for Sophie. We're not allowed to bring a lot anyway.
Not even we spent too much already.
Mm-hmm.
You know how much we spent?
Alright, so we're going to exit now, guys, to
So we're going to Tollgate now soon. We're going to pay first before we cross to Canada. We need to pay the toll. It's $4 USD. Island Bridge.
So this is the Alexandra Bay. So we'll see. There's not much people. There's a duty free there, guys. But we're not going there. Welcome to Canada. So this is the Canadian Thousand Island Bridge, guys. Means I'm here in Canada. Woohoo! No problem. My 2026 travel are good. It's good start. No headache. Yeah. So slow down.
Yeah, because I'm doing 60 almost. And over the bridge here, it's a 25-kilometer corner.
So 25 kilometer per hour. Alright guys, we're home sweet home, guys. Back in Canada. So yeah, that's our Watertown trip today, guys. So tiring. They didn't even ask us how much we spent, but I spent like maybe $100 Canadian. No, US. Because I got something in Hollister, guys. I got something in Hollister. On the pants. Okay. I'll try it on and I'll show it to you. Alright guys, so I'm going to try on what I got in the US. I got the Hollister pants, guys. And this one. And this one. It's all on sale, so I got this. I'm going to try on this first. These two. And then I follow this one. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the one that I got. So look at this, guys. I like this one. Yeah, it's really nice. Look at that. Yeah, it's really good. Maybe this is my outfit going to Bruno Mars. So yeah, it's nice, guys. So yeah, this is the first outfit that I got. Oh, this is Hollister. This is on sale, guys. It's a little bit long, that's why I pulled, but I can like ask to like, you know, and you know, I can like, so listen, can you like take me a picture? Okay. Turn it off now. So there's this is the another one, guys. It's two. Yeah, here. Well, it's like, you know, for summer or something, you know. And so, all right.